Now I am going to show you one more example on cross-site scripting, hunting. So I picked up these many live websites. Let's try on one by one. I'll show you more, don't worry about that. Let's copy this. This is just a live. I'm going to report right now after this video shoot. Okay, so let's open this first. Spider this. So I think you know how to spider this. I already done a spider. Let me try one more time spider. Right click, send to spider. Okay. Yes. So now second step is find URLs having parameters. So these are the URLs having parameter. I will try one by one. So there is no parameter. I will double click on params. See this? These many URLs having parameter. I'll pick first one. Right click, send this to repeater. Go to repeater. There are lots of parameters. There are many parameters. This. So I'll give one by one. Hello 1. I'll give hello 2. I'll give hello 3. I'll give hello 4. I'll give hello 5. I'll give hello 6 because I don't know which one is vulnerable. Let's click on go. I will search here hello. So I got lots of see all the hello 1, hello is vulnerable, hello 6, hello 3, hello 2, hello 5. But hello 1 is not vulnerable. So I'll pick anyone. I will right click, send this to intruder. Let's pick anyone. So I'll first clear this. I'll pick hello 5. Let's click on add payloads, load that XSS, start attack. Now what to do? Tell me. Okay, you have to double click on length because see for the first start 0th payload they got length 3039. If your payload will get executed, the length will be greater than this. Double click. Now see. Now let's try one by one. Let's pick one this. Right click, show response in browser. Let's check in browser. What it? I'm just trying random. Otherwise, you should have to try one by one manually. Okay. See, it's get executed. That means this is vulnerable. Now, I think you done. I'll try on any other website. I will delete host. Okay. I'll remove from this scope. Remove this. Now let's try on this website. ecat.knmi.nl. See this? ecat.kn. Just a spider this website. Let's go. Okay. You can also spider this by clicking right click here. Spider this host. See. Now there are lots of parameters. Pick any one. Pick any random. Let's pick this. Okay. I'll right click, send this to repeater. Click on okay. Now there are lots of parameters. I'll give hello 1. I'll give hello 2. Periods I will let it. Okay. I'll try give hello 3. I'll give here hello 4. I'll give here hello 5. I'll give here hello 6. Let's pause the spider, clear queues because my browser, my bobsuit is getting hang, will be getting hang. That's why. Okay, repeat it. Let's click on go. See what happened in back. Now what happened in the response? Are you getting any response or not? See, I got hello 4 and hello 2 both reflecting. Both is vulnerable. So hello 4 is where? Hello 4 is there. Hello 2 is there. I will right click, send this to intruder now. Go to intruder positions. I will clear this first. I will tag on hello 4. Let's click on add payloads, load XSS.txt, start attack. Now you have to do what? You have to sort the length. So I will double click on length. See it, I sorted. Now I'll try one by one. I will pick first one, right click, show response in browser, copy this. Now let's execute this. It's not executing. Pick any other payloads. show response in browser. Let's do this. It's not executed. Let's try third one. Right click, show response. You just have to try the top 10 highest length. Okay, see, it's executing now. Yes, so we find these many now. Let's close this. Let's try another websites. I will remove scope, delete host. Okay, now let's try on this website, the third one, api.toon.eu. Let's copy this. Okay, unable to identify proxy. I don't know. Let's spider this. Proxy intercept is on. Just reload this page. Right click, send this to spider. Yes. Now, have we got any page? No, we haven't got anything. So basically we are not getting any clickable link. So where to click? We don't know. In that case, we have to find some of the pages of this website. So how to find? The main question is how to find. For this, see, I will use google.com. Okay, I will search here site. Site is used for a specific website. Site : api.toon.eu. I got one page. See this? Let's click on this. Okay, I got a page. Okay, now open. Yes, target. See, I got these many parameters, these many URLs having parameters. Let's try one by one. This also having. Right click, send this to repeater. So there is no parameter. Okay, no problem. You can try there. If this is reflecting, you can try also there. Let's click on go. See this. It's a X3 code. It's not reflecting. When this is not vulnerable, I'll go to target. I'll pick any other. Right click, send this to repeater. Okay, there is two parameter. One is response type, and another one is previous. So I'll give hello 1. I'll give hello 2 there. Let's click on go. So see, hello 1 is reflecting, but hello 2 is not reflecting. That means response type is vulnerable. So I will right click, send this to intruder positions. I'll first clear this. I'll select hello 1 because hello 1 is vulnerable. That means response type is vulnerable only. Let's click on add payloads, load XSS.txt. Now start attack. Now you have to sort the length because you have to know which one is executing there. So I'll double click on length. Let's pick this. Right click, show response in browser. It's executing or not. So let's see this. So see, it's executed. So this way you have to find cross-site scripting